Next question, find the slope of a line which passes through the origin and the midpoint of the line segment joining the points P of 0, -4 and B of, let it be AB, okay? A of 0, -4 and B of 8, 0. Okay? See, once again, we have to find the slope of a line. Okay? See, this line passes through origin. Origin means that is 0, 0. Okay? X coordinate 0, Y coordinate 0. And 0, 0 and midpoint of the line segment joining the points A0, -4 and B8, 0. See, if you are confused, just draw the xy plane, okay? And we have to find a slope that is passes through origin, right? Origin is this one, that is when x is 0, y 0. Okay, so it is suppose it is the line, okay? Here we have to find the slope m, okay? Slope of this line passes through origin, and another point is given. See, another point is nothing but midpoint of the line segment joining these points. Okay, suppose say it is the another point. Okay, see, this point is nothing but midpoint of 0, -4 and B of 8, 0. Okay, suppose it is the point. This point is nothing but midpoint of these two points. Okay, so here we know that we can find the slope m when 2 points on the lines are given. Okay, we have studied, right? See, what is the slope? When 2 points on the lines are given, the slope of the line is, if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the points on the line, then slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, isn't it? That is, if 2 points on the line are given, then slope is equal to, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. See, here also 2 points are given. See, second point is nothing but midpoint of these points. So we have to find that midpoint. Okay, then we can apply this formula. Okay, so first of all we have to find the midpoint of these two lines. So how to find the midpoint of these two points? That is midpoint formula, that is nothing but if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the points, then midpoint is, let us take it q, okay? So midpoint q is equal to square root of, midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, it is the midpoint formula. Okay, it is not this x1 y1. Okay, so here it is the midpoint formula to find this point. Okay, so here x1 y1 is 0, -4, x2, y2 is 8, 0. Then let us find 0 plus 8 divided by 2 and -4 plus 0 divided by 2. Okay, that is 8 by 2 is 4, -4 by 2 is -2. So we have got midpoint of these 2 points is 4, -2. Okay, it is the point 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, y coordinate is -2. Now we can find the slope directly, right? See, using this formula. If 2 points on the line are given, the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is, slope is equal to, slope m is equal to, what is another point? 0, 0. Okay. Now here we have 2 points on the line, right? So y2 minus, see what are the points? 0, 0 and 4, -2. These 2 points are the line which we have to find the slope. Okay. So here 4 minus, what is the formula? Y2 minus Y1, right? So y2 minus y1. So minus 2 minus 0, minus 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0. That is minus 2 divided by 4, that is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So here slope is nothing but minus 1 by 2. Okay, here we have to find the slope, right? We have to find the slope of the line which passes through the origin and midpoint of the line segment joining the points 0, minus 4 and 8 to 0. Okay, so in that case first we have to find that midpoint. Okay, see, you should be aware of these points formula. Okay, that is midpoint formula, section formula, distance formula, all these you should be know. So here first we have to find the midpoint of these points, then apply this formula, that is slope. When 2 points on the lines are given, slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Next question is, find the slope of the line which makes an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. See, we know that if theta is the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis and measured anti-clockwise direction, then tan theta is the slope, right? See, here it is given that the line angle made by the line 30 degree with the positive direction of y-axis, okay, with the positive direction of y-axis measured anti-clockwise. See, here xy plane. Suppose, suppose it is the line, okay, because see here it is given with the positive direction, with the positive y-axis, means this one, okay, so and positive y-axis this one, okay, and measured anti-clockwise direction, so this direction. This angle is 30 degree, okay, that is from y-axis. See, we need from x-axis, right? Then only we can find the slope of the line, that is tan theta. Okay, if theta should be the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis and measured anti-clockwise. See, it is already given, it is anti-clockwise, and from the y-axis, okay, from the y-axis is 30 degree. Then what is the angle from the x-axis? See, this angle is nothing but 90 degree, right? So total angle is 120. Okay, this angle is 120 degree. So this is the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis measured anti-clockwise direction. So the angle is 120 degree. Now we can find the slope. Okay, this 120 degree is nothing but inclination of this line. Okay, therefore tan 120, that is slope m is equal to tan 120 degree. Okay, that is if theta is the inclination, definition of a slope, if theta is the inclination of the line, then tan theta is the slope. Okay, that is, see, inclination is nothing but the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis and measured anti-clockwise direction. So here it is 120 degree. So tan 120 is the slope of the line. So tan 120, how can we write? Tan 90 plus 30, right? Tan 90 plus 30 by trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities, you will get tan 90 plus 30 is nothing but minus cot 30. Okay, minus cot 30. Okay, so here what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 is root 3. So minus root 3. So minus cot 30 is nothing but minus root 3. So what is this? Slope. Slope of the line. Next question is, without using distance formula, show that the points minus 2, minus 1, 4, 0, 3, 3 and minus 3, 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Here we should not use distance formula. This one we have studied using distance formula, how to show the given points are of parallelogram, right? But here we should not apply distance formula. So here we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel, isn't it? And we studied if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal, right? So here let us take, we have to show first this slope of this line is equal to slope of this line. And slope of this line is equal to slope of this line. Okay. So here let us represent these points. -2, -1. Okay. 4, 0. Here 3, 3. -3. Okay. First of all, let us find all these slopes. Okay. Let us take this. It is m1 slope of this line, and m2 slope of this line, m3 slope of this, m4 slope of this. So we should prove, we have to show m1 is equal to m2. Okay, slope of this line is equal to slope of this line, and m3 is equal to m4. So let us find m1. If 2 points on the lines, are given, then what is the slope? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? y2 minus y1, that is 0 minus minus 1, 0 plus 1, divided by 4 minus minus 2, 4 plus 2, that is 1 by 6. Okay. Next, let us find m2. So m2 is equal to, here also 2 points on the line are given. So m2 is nothing but, slope m2 is nothing but y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 2 divided by 3 minus minus 3, 3 plus 3, that is 1 by 6. We have got m1 is equal to m2. Next, we have to show m3 is equal to m4. Then we can say given points are the vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, let us find m3. Slope of this line. Okay, that is, here if it is x1, y1, x2, y2, then y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus minus 1 is 2 plus 1 divided by x1 minus x2, that is, sorry, x2 minus x1, minus 3 minus minus 2, that is minus 3 plus 2. So 3 by minus 1, right? Next is, that is nothing but minus 3. So here x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. So x2 minus m4 is equal to 3 minus 0 divided by 3 minus 4, that is equal to 3 divided by minus 1, that is minus 3. See, we have got m3 is equal to m4. Now we can say given points, that is vertices, given points -2, -1, 4, 0, 3, 3 and 3 minus 3, 2 are vertices of parallelogram. Why? Because we have got slopes of opposite sides are equal. Okay, that means opposite sides are parallel. If opposite sides are parallel, then we say that it is a parallelogram. Next question is, find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3, -1 and 4, -2. So remember, if 2 points on the line are given, you must have to find the slope of the line. Okay. So here we have to find the angle between x-axis and the line joining the points, these two. Okay. So if you are confused, just draw a xy plane. Okay. And draw a line. Okay. I am drawing this line. Okay. See, whatever, your line may be this way or this way, whatever. Okay. So here, let us take this line. Okay, xy plane and this line. See, here we have to find angle between x-axis and the line. Okay, see, it is the x-axis and the line. And here, see, this angle is theta. Okay, this theta we have to find. And we know that if theta is the inclination of the angle, okay, if inclination of the line, then tan theta is the slope. Okay, so here 2 points on the line are given. So let us find what is the slope of the line. Okay, if two points on the line are given, first you should find the slope. Okay, so slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1, that is minus 2 minus minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4 minus 3, that is equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1. Therefore, slope of this line is minus 1. Okay, now we have to find theta. This theta is nothing but inclination of this line, right? Because see, this theta is the angle made by the line with the positive x-axis. Okay, so here this theta is the inclination of this line. Therefore, tan theta is the slope of this line. Okay, so the slope of this line is equal to tan theta by the definition of slope. Okay, so here see, you should be aware of this relationship between inclination and the slope. Okay, the theta is the inclination of the line, then tan theta is the slope of the line. Okay, so here we have slope, right? Slope of the line, that is minus 1 is equal to tan theta. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. We know that when tan theta is 1, when theta is 45, tan 45 is 1, right? Therefore, here we can say minus 1 is equal to minus tan 45. Here itself we can write. Minus 1 is equal to tan 45 minus tan 45. Because tan 45 is 1. So minus 1 is minus tan 45, right? So here we can write minus tan 45 is tan 180 minus 45, right? Here we know that tan of 180 minus 45 is minus tan 45. Okay? Or we can write, yes, okay. Then what it is? It is nothing but tan 135. Okay, so minus 1 is equal to tan 135. That is minus 1 is equal to tan theta. That is theta is equal to 135 degree. So theta is equal to 135 degree. That is this line is making the angle made by this line is an obtuse angle, not an acute angle, obtuse angle, because it is greater than 90 degree. Okay, whatever. See, theta is equal to, we had to find the angle between the x-axis and the line. See, we have found it. Theta is equal to 135 degree. So first of all, see, if two points on the line are given, first you have to find the slope of the line. Okay. And we have to find, see, we are asked to find the angle between x-axis and the line. Okay. See, draw a rough sketch. Okay. Just draw the xy plane and the line. And here we have to find the theta, that is angle between x-axis and the line, that is nothing but inclination of the line. And by the definition of slope, if theta is the inclination of the line, slope tan theta is the slope of the line. Okay. Then equate. Okay, slope of the line, that is m is equal to tan theta. So we have slope of the line, that is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to tan theta. When tan 45 is 1, so minus 1 is equal to minus tan 45. We have to find theta, right? So we have to cancel this minus. So by applying some trigonometric identities, we will write this one, rewrite this. Okay, minus tan 45 is tan 180 minus 45. Okay, that is tan 180 minus 45 is minus tan 45. That is tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta by trigonometric identity. Okay, so we have rewritten this. Okay, see here tan 180 minus 45 is nothing but tan 135. Okay, so we have got minus 1 is equal to tan 135. That is minus 1 is equal to tan theta. So theta is 135 degree. Okay. See the next question. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line if tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. find the slopes of the lines. Here, see, it is given the angle between two lines. We have studied that angle between two lines, formula is tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Here it is given tangent of the angle. If theta is the angle between the two lines, then tangent of the angle between two lines is tan theta, right? So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. And here it is the formula, okay? So let us, and one relationship is given, that is relationship between m1 and m2, slopes of the lines. That is, slope of one line is double of the slope of another line. That is, let us take m1 is equal to 2m2, or you can take m2 is equal to 2m1, anyone, okay? So let us substitute first one here, okay? So tan theta, substitute tan theta value, that is 1 by 3, it is given. m2 minus m1 is 2m2 divided by 1 plus m1 is 2m2 into m2, 2m2 square. This implies cross multiply, okay? So 1 plus 2m2 square is equal to m2 minus 2m2 is minus m2 and into 3, so minus 3m2. Take minus 3m2 left side, so the equation will become 2m2 square plus 3m2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is the form of quadratic equation of m2, and let us find the m2 using quadratic formula, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b is 3, so minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square is 9 minus 4 into a is 2 into c is 1 divided by 2 into 2. A is 2. Okay. That is here minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 8, 1, square root of 1 itself divided by 4. That is minus 3 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 3 minus 1 divided plus 1 divided by 4. Or, okay. So minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. So it is minus 1, or it is minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here we have got the m2 values minus 1 or minus 1 by 2. If m2 is minus 1, okay, if m2 is minus 1, then what is m1? m1 is nothing but minus 2, right? That is, if m2 is minus 1, so m1 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 and minus 1, or if m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, okay, minus 1 by 2, then m1 is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 are the slopes.